Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day, whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. I'm glad you're here. Real quickly, I want to say thank you, like always, to all the channel members. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you to anybody who takes the time to subscribe or just even takes the time to come in and watch my content. I really appreciate you being here. I hope you enjoy it. Today, we've got a real short unboxing that I've been waiting for that I am stoked. That comes from our buddy, Jason Grant, Brass Brigade, and I'm going to use the old Amazon Bally song to try and get into it without doxing anybody. Let's see here. All right. Alright guys, so as you guys might or might not know if this is one of your first times here, I am a huge fan and friend of Jason Grant. He is a fantastic human. He joins me on Friday Night Flick sometimes to show off what he's working on. He created, designed, delivered the gripper, the tripper, and as of late, a little bit over a year, he has been making fixed blades. And Jason makes amazingly unique little fixed blades. And if you guys know me, I like weird little knives. So this one he put a lanyard on. Check out this Grant bead. These are available. These, if I'm not mistaken, are 3D printed in a couple of different colors. Got a little Kydex sheath with some Velcro on it with the range drive from Jason. And then you've got some jimping here on the sheath. Guys, look at this little chode of a hollow ground cleaver. Oh my freaking God. I was not expecting this. Sorry about my fingernails. Guys, and I will be doing a more thorough kind of review going over this knife. This is just kind of an unboxing. I saw this when it was just a blank, just a baby blank. Look at that tip. That is the needle, guys. That is an absolute splinter digger. Perfect grind lines. Look at that amazing plunge. He does all this by hand, guys. Jason does not do any CNC. I think he gets some of his blanks cut out. Look at the bevel on this tang. Just ever so slight. G10 handle. Fits my hand amazingly well for such a small knife, because this is not a traditional J-Cal, guys. This is something he's been working on, and you've got these two little areas that your fingers rest in, and I'm sure he's making these in other sizes too, but I can tell you right now that this is, for me, for what I like in a fixed blade knife. And as you guys know, I like weird fixed blade knives. I'm not always the most practical, I guess you would say, but for my city type life, I carry smaller fixed blades. Today I'm carrying this little TCAL in my back pocket, but this guy you could wear, I can see it right now with an ulti-clip in my back pocket. Just absolutely stunning. So much more than I expected it to be. Not that I don't expect Jason to turn out amazing work. He had this double finger grip, and I really think and again, it's a small knife. I've got a medium large size hand. I think this is like 3.5 inches. But just the way that this positions in your hand with that lanyard, this is a fantastic utility knife. This is a fantastic box opening knife. This is a fantastic conversation piece. I mean, to me, it's just a little piece of functional art that is absolutely beautiful. I love, love, love the deep hollow grind. I love the finish work. I mean, look how well that is done. Absolutely stunning. I mean, again, I guess the more you do, the better you get, kind of like with Jason and his tattooing. But he is really bringing, in my opinion, some of the coolest, most unique, functional fixed blades that are also one-of-a-kind artistic pieces, and I think they're priced extremely, extremely fair, almost too low. But I will bring you guys more information on this bad boy. It is, again, I need to find out what we're calling this guy, but it is an absolute slicer. Poker, stabber. You've got just enough point there. And look at the evenness of the grind, of the plunge. Just absolutely stunning. And he looks like he's holding on his handles with, what do we got here? T20 hardware. So you got T20 Torx there. Just an absolute beautiful little knife. Give you a couple of quick size comparisons so you can see when I say little knife. That is it next to the Civivi Baby Banta. And this is it next to, I'm not going to say the same knife at all, but I'm going to say kind of a similar, a knife that it reminds me of. I can keep it at that. Maybe an earlier generation of a similar knife that I thought was super small. It's this little guy right here. Guys, Jason makes bigger knives too. Again, much bigger knives. I just happen to have a, what would you call it, an affection for the littler guys. Give you a couple of other size comparisons of some of my Grant collection. That little guy. I picked up this little guy. So yeah, guys, it is a little banger. It's one of the smallest, but it does not grip like a small knife. The way that he has treated that those finger choils is no short of amazing. This Kydex sheath looks awesome. Very thick Kydex. Very good retention because you've got these jimps holding it in, and then you've got the jimping on the outside of the sheath to make it very easy to deploy. I give this a home run, in my opinion, which I love small fixed blades. I love Jason and what he does. I give it a 10 out of 10. I think it's awesome. I am stoked. I will mount it up with an ulti-clip. Probably that's what I'm going to do. I don't think I'm going to single strap it. This one's short enough to be easily appendix carried too. But I'll carry it a couple of ways. Be back in a few days, week or so, and kind of give you my overall thoughts. We'll do some dimensions and all that good stuff. But guys, thank you for watching. If you haven't had a chance yet, and you're so inclined, if you hit the subscribe button, it really does help me out. I'd appreciate it. Check out Jason Grant on Instagram. I will link him down below at Brass Brigade in case you want to check out his work or what he's working on, or DM him, get in touch with him about maybe getting you a JCal. But most importantly, please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your hearts and choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.